Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Steven's outside going pee-pee right now. We are here with Matt Monroe of BigBlocksGarage.
Hey guys.
He has brought his Gen 3 HEMI heads over here, and Steven, him and I did 2 valve springs, and Steven and him have done 6, and the amount of time it took us to figure out those 2. Right?
Yeah.
That's about right.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
During that time, we also cut the roof off of the Narcs cart, which we'll be giving away at 1 million views for the channel. I won't muddy up Matt's video with that. But, okay, Matt, tell us the cam you went with, and this is all going in the duster, obviously.
Okay, so what we went with was the HRT Stage 2.
Okay.
According to comp cams,
Yep.
it should do about 80 horse off cam alone.
That's awesome.
And then give you a comparison of
Yeah.
springs. There's your OE springs.
Old crusty.
Old crusty.
New hotness. New fancy. What's Will Smith say in Men in Black?
I make this look good.
Yeah,
That's
so
one line.
there's all of his cam specs and all the instructions and stickers. I want to thank Aaron Mick for hooking him up on that stuff. If you
Aaron.
would like to email Aaron, always tell him you heard about your stuff from Narcoleptic Customs. And yeah, that sumbitch don't answer text or his phone.
He answers Messenger pretty fast.
Yeah.
There's your
Aaron Mick,
secret.
Facebook Messenger. Tell him if he doesn't give you a good deal, I'm gonna punch him in the wiener. I'm telling you, literally say that.
You don't have to tell him that.
Yeah, tell him that. It's good. Tell him Michael Narcs said give me a good deal, or he's gonna come down here and punch you in the wiener. Anyways, so they're working on those. I'm excited for Matt to get this in the car. So you're doing this, and then you're gonna get it all put together, right?
Yeah, we're actually one of the last pieces came in today.
That's awesome.
So we're gonna start getting at least a long block put together.
Yep.
For the HEMI, and then I'm going down the rabbit hole. I'm about to do wiring,
Ooh, fun.
like
Yeah.
all new wiring harness.
He's got Holly Terminator X for the car. I mean, you're one of the first guys to have the Terminator X for the Gen 3, right?
One of the first guys. Yeah, it's really new. I'm starting to see a little bit more talk about it for the Gen 3 HEMIs.
Yep.
But definitely one of the first guys to order it. But I mean, so I'm real nervous to do my unboxing.
Wiring's easy. All right, so let's get you a couple of close shots here. New spring, old spring, all that fun stuff. All right, Steven, tell them what to do.
Follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram,
TikTok.
and
Where?
podcast.
Yeah, the podcast. Yeah, which if we have time, me and Steven are going to be recording later. Hey,
That's real sharp.
that's
Steve.
sharp. All right, guys, thanks a bunch.